Liquids. Their common characteristic, they are easy to be stimulated for movement. We can find liquids in all kinds of containers. They can be made from glass, plastic, metal. All together, they're getting filled in products which are tall with a small footprint. So that is the potential that these kind of containers can become troublemaker. Without good engineering and the right weighing technology, you will not be able to get precise weighing results. So how would we help to obtain precise, reliable weighing results? Let's have a look. Product handling. Permanent, stable and repeatable product handling. And of course, you should employ electromagnetic force restoration weighing technology, which gives you the option to use active vibration compensation. That would help to eliminate external vibrations and to make the weight reading even more stable under critical conditions of the environment. The safe product takeover, in this case with the HCA index scale, is the first point to start for the product handling. The index scale is able to use the star wheel and place the star wheel above the chain conveyor of the customer. So there is no need to cut the line. All over through the entire process of handling the product within the Checkweigher, products are guided from the infeed to the weighing to the outfeed position. Over and underweight products, so those which are not within your set limits, getting reliably rejected. In the case of the HCA index scale called Quattro, standing for 4 lanes, we are able to weigh 4 products at a time and can reject products individually according to the weighing result in comparison to the set limits. So we have seen some example with metal cans. In case we have glass vials and bottles, we are facing the situation that these glass vials and bottles have uneven thicknesses for the walls. Therefore, we're using 2 scales. Checkweighers are standing before and after the filler. So we're using a tare scale and a cross scale. In our example, we're using the HCA index scale. The tare scale is sending the information of the tare weight into the shift register of the second checkweigher checking the net content. So the production process is ongoing with 2 individual checkweighers. Once the filled product is arrived at the second checkweigher, the tare weight is getting reducted from the weight reading and out of tolerance products getting safely rejected. There are demands where customers want to see the weight of the product printed from underneath to the product. In this case, we're using side grip belts. Here we have the possibility to separate products which coming too close to the gap we need for the weighing conveyor. After that, we have a little space where we have the opportunity to print from below the weight onto the can. Electromagnetic force restoration weigh cells and stable product handling are key to the success. In our case, no matter if you're weighing 50 or 500 products per minute. We also see that the pharmaceutical manufacturers are asking regularly for our comprehensive IQ/OQ documentation. So let's have a look into the validation process and maybe seeing what kind of documents as a kind of selection we can supply when we're looking from the user requirement until the installation of the Checkweigher in your plant. Preparing relevant data to allow a good validation can become demanding. One will need to execute deep research work, has to collect many details, and need to file stacks of paper. For us, the process starts with your URS. Followed by an exchange of comments and remarks, the FDS arises, eventually completed by a pharmaceutical risk analysis. Next is the manufacturing of the equipment and the creation of the IQ and OQ documentation. Afterwards, a factory acceptance test may take place. If that is successfully passed, the Checkweigher will be shipped, installed, and a PQ might be performed. Our comprehensive documents are highly appreciated by our happy customers. All they want, together, in just one single place. We support your validation process perfectly. Liquids can also be filled in stick packs. For stick packs, we would use a different Checkweigher. In that case, we would use a 3-belt Checkweigher. Here we see an HCA Mini. How this works and helps you with product handling and precise weighing will be shown and presented soon. Stay tuned.